Your Holiness, it's a question as to where we focus our attention. Now, people who get depressed said that they see the glass of water, say, as half empty. Somebody else sees the glass, could be milk or wine, they see it as half full. So it's a question as to where you focus your attention, largely. If you focus it on the negative, that's all you're going to see. If you focus on the positive, you'll see much more positive. Now, we also believe that much of this type of negative thinking, negative thoughts, actually comes from a self-centeredness. That people, the word we use is egoism or egocentricity. And so the more they focus on their self, it could be their pain, it could be the attachment, it could be other people's criticism. The more they focus on that, actually, the worse they feel. But if they can get away from focusing on me, my pain, my desires, my attachments, and we see ourselves just as part of the whole human structure. Now, where I think it comes into bigger problems that I wanted to mention to you has to do with what we call group egoism. When we then extend our own ego to the whole group, and we start to think the group is right, just as I would think I am right, now I think my whole group is right. As soon as I think my whole group is right, then it means the other group is wrong, and we're better than them, and they're worse than us. And if there's any conflict at all, then we see ourselves even more so as all good and all right, and they're all bad. And pretty soon we start to dehumanize them. They're not real anymore. They just become like robots, and then they become demons. And once they're demons, you know what we have to do to them. And so it seems to me that's a major problem in the world, stemming from the self-centeredness that each individual has, but then extends that self-centeredness or egoism to his entire ethnic group or political group or racial group. I was wondering what you thought of that formulation.
I think this is, quite complicated. I think firstly, the eco, I think they are usually, of course, firstly, you see, my understanding about the English word is not very profound. It's may not be very correct by understanding about the English word. And when I explain to other without a proper translator, then within my own limited vocabulary, you see, I use certain words. So now the feeling or the concept of I, self. The self is there. Although now a lot of discussions, what is self? Through the last 3,000 years, there's a lot of discussions.
We don't know yet.
So that, I think, something different. But here now, the self is there. Now also the self is the center of the whole universe. That's also fact. The things are designated from the Buddhist viewpoint. So who designate? I, self. Like east, west, north, or south. From where?
From where it is, these directions are counted. It is from the point of view of the person.
No absolute east or west or north and south. So must be compare. Where?
Through comparison.
True comparison. So therefore, the self is the center of the whole universe. Self is there and important. And also it is basic right to gain something good for the self. But now, again, I think the illusion or misconception. I think particularly, when we were young, although the feeling of self, importance of self is there, but then the reality is very obvious. The maximum benefit to self, you depend on someone else's care. So you appreciate very much about others' affection. Now we've grown up. We feel independent. My exist, not depend on other. Then, furthermore, misconception. Then I'm superior. I can bully. I can exploit on other. No longer any respect other. That's now misconception lead that much sort of radical sort of
State.
the self-state.
Radical state of the self.
Radical state. I think the self go extreme. Now, I think without forgetting self. But self, according to the reality, self, now here, human self, is part of humanity. Then furthermore, human being is a social animal. Therefore, no matter one single human being, very powerful, very smart, and very intelligent, but without other human companion, very difficult to survive.
Lonely.
Isn't it? Yes. And also is there, without any human being, just oneself. Even, you see, in big cities, a lot of human beings there, but mentally feeling of loneliness is also suffering, isn't it?
Yes.
And then actually, without any human brothers, sisters, just a single one person remain there, I think will die very soon.
Right.
That's very clear. So therefore, since we human self is the part of humanity, the humanity is social animal, therefore, interest or benefit to oneself entirely depend on other. So my success, my future depend on them. So in order to have better future, successful life, I have to take care about others' right. So now, without forgetting importance of self, but importance of self's future depend on other self. Therefore, other self also equally important as important oneself. So the egoistic, egoism, feeling of self itself, not necessarily wrong, but feeling of self go extreme, then of course it bring a lot of disaster. So now similarly, self in the center of the universe, then world or your neighbor, my neighbor, friendship, sense of caring. Then my town, friendship, respect, regarding part of myself, part of myself. Then my nation, then humanity, my continent, or my world, my planet. I think not necessarily go wrong, isn't it? No, okay. Right. So mind, positive way, whole universe is considered part of mind. So taking care. But if you make a distinction, we and the they, then they something, sorry, nothing to do with our own fortune or future. Then these are, I think, wrong things. That's why I always telling people, the very concept of war, although they're part of human history, but in ancient time, each community or each country more or less independent, self-sufficient, not dependent on the neighbor. So under that circumstances, the concept of war comes. Destruction of your neighbor as an enemy, that's victory of yourself. But now today, no longer that reality. All neighbors are part of yourself. So destruction of your neighbor is destruction of yourself. Right. So the concept is one side victory, other side defeat. That's unrealistic. So therefore, the entire world, entire humanity, belongs we, like that. So that's usually my way of approach.
That's good.
Whether it is wrong or right, please tell me.
I think you're on the right track.